Today's cake project is a Dumbo cake, which I love that theme idea. I think it's adorable. And the requested colors were gray and pink, which I also love. So we're gonna make this Dumbo cake. This is actually for an organization called Icing Smiles. This group, it's nationwide, and they connect cake decorators to families of children that are either terminally ill or heavily handicapped. And so this cake is for a local girl. She is turning 3, I believe, and it's gonna be super cute. So we're gonna make a fondant Dumbo. I'm also going to make a fondant pug because they sent me a picture and it was of her, the little girl, with a stuffed pug. And I grew up with pugs, I love pugs. But they said that this stuffed animal was inseparable to this little girl, that she loves it so much. So I'm gonna make a stuffed pug to go with it, and it's gonna be adorable. So let's get started. It's all done, and I love the way it turned out. I love the theme and the color and everything we got going on here. I especially love the popcorn that we put on last minute at the bottom. That turned out really good, and it looks like real popcorn even though it's fondant. So that was really cute. Anyway, I'm really happy with it. I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe. We got lots more fun things to do, and I'll see you in the next video.